Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing your device and account. Backup Gmail settings and make sure two-step verification credentials are ready. Now enable installation of unknown apps briefly so you can sideload tools. This is necessary when Play services are absent. Next, install a lightweight Play services stub or a compatible replacement like Micro G. This provides the authentication layer Gmail requires. Once done, reboot the device to load new services and move directly to configuring app permissions and sync. Don't pause here. Now focus on configuration. Open the replacement service app and grant required permissions, such as account access and signature spoofing, if the replacement supports it. Then open Gmail and add your Google account. If standard sign-in fails, use an app-specific password generated from your Google account security settings. Make sure Gmail sync is on and background data is allowed so messages fetch automatically. Once messages appear, adjust sync frequency and notification settings to match your preference and confirm push notifications work. Finish by validating stability. Clear Gmail cache and app data, then re-add the account to force a fresh authentication flow. This often resolves lingering token issues. If problems persist, inspect service logs or Logcat to identify specific authentication failures and adjust permissions or reinstall the replacement service accordingly. Make sure time and date are correct. Wrong clock breaks tokens. If none of this works, use Gmail in a browser as a reliable fallback, while you reinstall Play services or choose another mail client compatible with IMAP/SMTP.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.